This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Surry County Sheriff's Office is searching for Valeria Gonzales Hernandez. Valeria is a 13-year-old Hispanic female, approximately 4 feet, 11 inches tall, weighing 180 pounds. Valeria has brown hair and brown eyes. Valeria was last seen wearing a black shirt, black pants, and white sneakers. She was last seen at the bus station on Capital Blvd in Raleigh, NC. The abductor is unknown. The vehicle information is unknown. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact Surry County Sheriff's Office at 336-401-8900 or call 911.